Napakasaya, napakasarap sa pakiramdam. And most especially, I think one of the things na I'm very, very grateful for this conference is that we actually redefined and siguro found ourselves also in this conference. Mas nakilala namin, mas nagkakilanlan ulit kami, and ang saya din kasi first time ulit na kumpleto kami.
Do you ever get used to it ba with the crowd cheering for you every time na nakikita ka?
Honestly, nga we were talking about it kami ni MG, parang we're just very, very blessed na hanggang ganito yung volleyball community natin, inabutan pa rin namin. So, hindi pa rin, parang mas nakakakaba, pero at the same time, mas nakaka-inspire din to see and hear all of those cheers.
Eliza, you shared the moment with Vani kanina. Can you talk about it lang before sa pangalan ng MVP?
Ang dami rin kasi naming siguro mga times na nagkikita ni Vanny outside the court eh. Tapos galing din siya Ateneo. So there are times na may mga small talks din and conversations meron din kami together. So alam ko gano pinaghirapan ni Vanny at tinabaho ni Vanny yung kung sino siya hanggang ngayon. So I'm very, very proud of her. And sabi ko nga sa kanya, konting-konti na lang kasi syempre, alam mo yon, for me, it's really a different, siguro, playing ground pagdating sa finals. But they've shown that they were really deserving to be here. So sabi ko, konting-konti na lang yan, you'll be able to get your first ever championship. So, pero, syempre, if kami yon, syempre, hindi rin kami babayan.
Adelaide, from a Creamline team that almost always wins here, and you had to fight extra harder for wins. How would you describe this Creamline team now, where that dynasty is now? Like,
Oh, wow.
describe Creamline now.
Describe Creamline now? I think yung Creamline ngayon, I would say season talaga. Kasi throughout the conference, ang daming struggles as in. Pero because we're all veterans din, I think napag-usapan din talaga ng mabuti kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin. And sobrang very mature from the coaches down to our staff, talagang nag-contribute. Sabi nga namin, yung finals namin hindi lang dito sa court, sa Araneta. It started in our practice. So lahat talaga nagtrabaho. So masasabi ko talaga yung Creamline ng ngayon, alam mo, honestly, parang bumalik kami sa first ever time. Kasi syempre, ang hirap din, tagal namin hindi nakakuha ng championship. Parang yung mindset namin is, one, sana makilala namin yung sarili namin. And two, sana ibalik lang namin yung joy sa paglalaro ng volleyball.
Eliza, wala ka nang dapat patunayan sa kanila sa sobrang tagal mo na. Pero ano yung...
Grabe, parang ang tanda ko talaga.
Ano pa yung ini-aim mo for yourself and for Creamline during habang may playing years ka pa natin for
I just really want to enjoy playing volleyball. At this point in my career, I want to prove not to other people but to myself that I'm here because I still want it and I still have it. So yun lang siguro yung ano ko. Other than that, I'm just very, very happy to all my teammates sa lahat na nagsistep up and sa bawat isang nasa part ng Creamline Cool Smashers.